When attempting to create a table and encountering an error message like this, it indicates a lack of permissions to perform the table creation. To resolve this, follow these steps. Connect to the database using an administrator user account. You can execute the following script. Ensuring to include the appropriate username. When you run a script, the table creation permission has been granted. You can now proceed to create any table using the specific user.